So I leave for the Foothills Trail very soon, and when you see this video, I'll have already been out and hiked them. I'm gonna go through what gear I'm packing to bring on the Foothills Trail. It's very similar to what I brought on the Appalachian Trail. I only made a few gear adjustments, but I figured who doesn't love a gear video? So come with me to pack up and I'll go through what I'm packing. Right now, all my gear is like laid out on the ground everywhere, so I have to go through it and go through my lighter pack list and make sure I have everything I need. First thing, I have my shriveled up looking Gossamer Gear Mariposa. It's not packed up, so this is the pack that I'm bringing though, and it has my Garmin InReach Mini attached, my Chicken Tramper Gear shoulder strap pocket, which has some earbuds in there. Oh, this pack still smells a little bit from last year. I literally put it in a tub with it's like some Gear Aid anti-smell stuff, and it still slightly smells. And then I have a little hand sanitizer here and tiny, you can't really see it, tiny knife on my strap. Then I have a new addition that I actually have to put on the pack. Chicken Tramper Gear sent me a water bottle sleeve. Super excited to put this on my pack. I'm gonna do that today as well. It is very well made, super lightweight. It's gonna be way better than the one I was using last year, so I'm excited, and thank you so much Chicken Tramper Gear for sending this to me. Next I have my quilt, my Hammock Gear Econ Burrow 20-degree quilt with the quilt straps. I love this quilt. It's fantastic quality. And it really doesn't smell. This is why you always clean up yourself and get into clean sleep clothes at night so you don't dirty your quilt. For my tent, Gossamer Gear the 2, and then my little baggie of lightweight tent stakes. For hiking and to pitch my tent, I've got my Lecky trekking poles. For my sleeping pad, I have my Thermarest Neo Air X-Lite in the wide version. And then my pillow is the Hike Ensure pillow from Amazon. It's fantastic. It like straps to the pad. It's got like this removable cover you can wash. This thing's so comfortable. Okay, next we'll go over what I am hiking in during the day. Got just this random Champion sports bra, pair of biker shorts, Injinji toe liner socks, and Darn Tough socks. I'm actually hiking in a sun hoodie this year. This is it's an Outdoor Research sun hoodie. It's actually really light. It's like see-through, but I wanted something very light because it's gonna be in like the 70s during the day, so something that wouldn't make me like hot, but it's also going to protect me from the sun. In Georgia last year, I literally fried. Like, I got so sunburnt because your skin's just not used to tons of sun coming out of the winter, so this is what I'm wearing to try to prevent frying myself. For sleeping in, I have a Smartwool long sleeve shirt. And these are very linty, but I have -33 wool leggings for sleeping in, and then just a pair of Smartwool socks. This is going to be my fleece mid-layer. It is the Lightheart Gear Microgrid Fleece, of course, the new one I just bought. I actually did a review on these mid-layers in my last video if you guys want to check that out. I talk about why I like this more than Melanzana. My puffy jacket is the Enlightened Equipment Torrid. It's a synthetic jacket, but it's super warm, and it's incredibly lightweight and packable. I'm only bringing a rain jacket, so I have the REI Zero Dry rain jacket. My food bag is Z-Pack's bear bagging kit, and then there's a rucksack and paracord like string inside of there that it came with. I do have some food in here because I'm gonna go take my pack on a hike and like get used to having the weight on my back again, but my cooking stuff is in here, so I'll show you my cooking stuff. So we got fuel, Sea to Summit Titanium Spork, Toke's 750 milliliter pot. In here I just have like a little microfiber cloth that I cut up, and then my MSR Pocket Rocket Deluxe stove. For water filtration, I have the Canuck, I believe this is the 2-liter water bag, and then a Sawyer squeeze. And then as backup water treatment, I have the Aquamira drops. These are just for like backup if something happens to my Sawyer or a water source is a little sketchy. I'll use these too. I just have a bathroom kit, just toilet paper and hand sanitizer. My electronics bag, my Flextail air pump. This is for blowing up my air mattress. My Nightcore NU25 headlamp. My Anchor 20,000 power bank, and it's in a Hilltop Packs like dry bag. I just have like some miscellaneous cords in here and a charging block. My toiletry bag, it just has toothbrush, toothpaste, contact solution, baby wipes, a pack towel, a hairbrush, a body glide. I think that's it. Also bringing my Appalachian Trail buff And my outdoor research visor, of course. This is a collapsible visor, so it's really nice. It packs down really small. Bringing my Gossamer Gear Thin Light foam pad that I strap to the outside of my pack. Polycrow tent ground sheet. Sunglasses. This is just my first aid kit. I have some like Band-Aids, alcohol wipes, tweezers, like for ticks, a couple of like gear patches if I have to patch gear, nail clippers, some pills and medications I might need and stuff like that. It's very small and light. Also bringing a little thing of bug spray and a cork massage ball. And then also Crocs as my camp shoes, but my Crocs are also not up here with me, so those strapped to the outside of my pack. 2 smart water bottles that I'm carrying on me for water. I think that's everything. So now I'm gonna take this big mess that I made and pack it up and go on a hike with it. I will be daily vlogging the Foothills Trail. Those videos will go up when I get back home. So that's really exciting. And yeah, I'm super excited. This is kicking off like a season of backpacking. So really excited for my first trip and to get back out on trail. So yeah, but let's pack up this mess. All right, I'm out with my pack on. I weighed it when it didn't have water in it and it was like 20 pounds. That was with everything and with a bag of food that I would say maybe is like 2 or 3 pounds off from what I would be carrying for food. So with water and my food, pack is looking like it's gonna be around 27 to 28 pounds, which is what I expected. That's pretty much exactly what it was in Georgia last year, so not bad. I actually haven't hiked with my pack on since September, when I was out on the AT in Massachusetts. So it's been a little while, but it feels good still. And I mean, it's not much harder to me than hiking with a pretty full day pack has been all winter. So yeah, super excited for the Foothills. Hoping physically that I will be where I need to be. We'll see. But thank you guys so much for watching. Look out for my Foothills Trail vlogs, and I'll see you guys on the Foothills Trail. Bye.